Under no circumstances should you pour oil down the sink. Let me show you why this disposal method is so bad and what you should actually do with used oil. The problem is that used grease soon starts to solidify and change its consistency. Once it settles in the pipes, it can form a clog that, with regular additions of more oil, will eventually block the entire drain. It's also worth noting that oil contains food particles, which can make the problem even worse. In such cases, regular store-bought drain cleaners might not be enough, and you may need professional help. So, what should you do instead? First, take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a small section. Place it in the sink, shaping it around the drain to create a protective barrier. Now you can safely pour the leftover oil onto the foil, where it will be contained. Once you're done, carefully wrap the foil with the oil inside and throw it in the trash. This simple trick prevents pipe damage and helps keep your kitchen clean and safe. So if you've been in the habit of pouring used cooking oil down the drain, change that now before it leads to a household disaster. I wrapped the pipe from the kitchen sink with aluminum foil. The effects were visible after just a few days. This trick was shown to me by a plumber. I'm sure you've never heard of this use of tinfoil before. A lot of dirt and grease builds up in the pipes of the kitchen sink. When washing up, food residues get into the pipes. They are responsible for the bad smell from the sink. To wash up, we use warm water, which dissolves the grease. In the drain pipes, it begins to cool down, blocking the flow. It turns out that all you need is ordinary aluminum foil. Tear off a large piece. Then tightly wrap the foil around the pipe with it. Cover the entire surface of the drain pipe with it. It has thermal insulation properties. This will keep the water flowing through it warm longer. Oil and oily sludge will drain into the vertical pipe. It will not settle in the trap pipe before draining. I have tested this trick myself, and there is no longer a bad smell coming out of my sink, even after pouring leftovers from the pan. I am delighted that such a cheap and simple way really works. It unclogs the sink and eliminates bad odor in just a few seconds. Pour it down the drain, and it will be cleaner than ever. Take a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap. Pick your favorite scent and color. Then add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix well. Next, pour in some vinegar. The combination of salt and vinegar dissolves grease and buildup. Stir again. Now take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and pour in some warm water to dissolve it. Mix carefully. Here comes the most important part. Pour the contents of the glass into the drain. The rough texture of salt helps scrub away deposits inside the pipes. Vinegar eliminates unpleasant odors, and dish soap removes grease. Then pour in the baking soda mixture. You'll see it foam immediately. Once the foam settles, rinse the sink with hot water. Finally, clean the sink to remove any leftovers. This is an effective and inexpensive way to unclog pipes. Eco-friendly and safe for your plumbing.